Hello to everyone. And now I want us to look at this question. So, which term in the sequence will be equal to 4 over 243? So, this is our sequence 12, 4, and 4 over 3. So, it's continuing. All right. Which term in this sequence will be equal to this term? All right. The term is being given, right? Yes. So, we have Tn, and clearly this is going to be a geometric sequence, right? Yeah. So with a r to the power of n minus 1. All right, so what's our r? So we can just simply say 4 divided by 12, which is going to be equal to 1 over 3, right? Yes, which is um, 2 over t1, which is going to be equal to 4 over 12, 1, 3, yes. So, and therefore, our r is 1 over 3, okay? Yes, I hope you can see that. All right, so 4 over 243, okay, will be equal to a, which is 12, multiplied by 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1. And we're looking for, okay, we're looking for the nth term, meaning that the number, okay, yes, the position of this number in this sequence, okay. All right, and now the way forward for this, mind you that we're looking for n, okay. The way forward for this is to divide here by 12 and divide here by 12. So this cancels this, and in this side we're left with 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, hope you can see that. All right, so let's just divide that by 12. So we're 4 over 243 divided by 12. So that's 1 over 729. So we have 1 over 729, which will be equal to this, okay. Yes, because of the space there, we have no enough space at that particular point. So let's just say 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1, right? And so we're moving right here. The way forward now at this particular point, we have to change this to become an exponent. So there's a crook up Campbell's at that particular point, guys. So I mean that you have to remember your exponential skills, because your exponential skills are required. All right. So we can change this to become 1 over 3, right? Yes. We can just simply press shift. Okay. 729 is equal to 729, right? So you press shift factor. It gives you 3 to the power of 6, okay. It gives you 3 to the power of 6, meaning that here we have the very same thing as 1 over 3 to the power of 6. But now we want the power to be outside so that you can be able to solve for this particular power here, which is n minus 1, specifically, which is n. Right, in that particular point right now as 1 over 3 to the power of 6, we can take that 6, which is outside on the power of the denominator, and take it outside the bracket, because it's going to be the very same thing like this, okay. Yes, let's move to this side. So we're going to have 1 over 3, right? Yes, and put a bracket to the power of 6, because this 6 as a power, mind you, is multiplying with both the numerator and the denominator. So this is like we have 1 to the power of 6 and 3 to the power of 6, very same thing. 1 to the power of 6, 729, which is 3 to the power of 6, right? And 1 to the power of 6 is 1. I hope you get it. So which is going to be equals to this, right? Yes, moving. So 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1. And then now the bases are the same. I repeat, the bases are the same. So now we want to solve for the powers. So we bring down the powers, which is 6 is equal to n minus 1. So, and therefore our n will be equal to, we take 1 negative 1 to the side, becomes positive 1. It's going to be 6 plus 1 is equals to 7, and therefore our n is equals to 7, meaning that the term in the sequence 4 over 243 is the 7th term in that particular sequence. Yeah, that's how it goes. I hope you understand, guys. See you next time. Cheers.